Okay, so here I'm in my Azure Machine Learning Studio workspace. If I go to the Automated ML tab, then we can see here I have an AutoML run in an experiment bank marketing AutoML. If I click on this, we can see it's successfully completed. We see the best model was a voting ensemble with an accuracy of 0.92. I trained this model with an explanation enabled, and this is also the model that I deployed. So you can see here the deploy status succeeded. If I go to the endpoints, there we have the actual endpoint, which I deployed the model to the Azure container instances. We can see the deployment state is healthy. I also enabled application insights. Then I used Swagger, which you can see here running in a Docker container, a localhost 9080. So here you have all the metadata about the model that I have deployed. And then going back to the Azure Machine Learning Studio, we can go to the pipelines, and there we see that I also have successfully published my pipeline, which is active. We can see also the pipeline runs that have completed. Then also looking at the notebook, so just checking here from the beginning. So you can see that all cells have been successfully executed. So here experiment experiment object was created, compute target object was created. And then here we have the data set, which was loaded from the workspace. Here the AutoML config, then all the pipeline code. Here also successful until the end, and then finally testing the model, also retrieving the best model, which we can see here. Then the confusion matrix and testing the model, and last but not least publishing the pipeline and then interacting with the pipeline via the request library and sending requests. And finally, also want to show here calling the model, so running the endpoint.py script, and we can see here the result.